The NDT extension identifies an HCL Notes template file containing database design templates for the HCL Notes, formerly Lotus Notes collaboration platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you deploy, manage, or troubleshoot these Notes template files. Avoid future frustration. Download a dedicated, non-proprietary file viewer. These tools are masters at ignoring small NDT errors. Take a shortcut and download now. NDT files are database template files for HCL Notes, formerly IBM Lotus Notes, containing application designs including forms, views, agents, and navigation elements. They serve as blueprints for creating new Notes databases with pre-built functionality and user interfaces. HCL Notes NDT files use the NSF-based format, storing design elements including form definitions, view configurations, LotusScript and Java agents, action buttons, and navigator layouts. They define the complete application framework without containing user data. The developer of HCL Notes, HCL Technologies, created the original specifications for NDT. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Windows cannot verify whether settings are correct, so improper edits may cause problems. Let's find the specific program that links to the file signature. Right-click the NDT file and hit Open with. Test HCL Notes if available. If not, choose a different app. That often leads to the solution. If your NDT file still refuses to open, stay calm. Since this NDT is a niche format, we can't assume a simple fix. Don't worry, we'll quickly check these key details to find where the error lies. First, creating databases. In HCL Notes, navigate to File, then Application, then New. Click Template Server and browse for the NDT template. Select the template and specify the new database name and location. Notes creates a new database with all design elements from the template. Next, updating designs. Apply template updates to existing databases by opening database properties and configuring the design template name field. Notes automatically refreshes the database design from the NDT template during the design refresh task, maintaining customized user data. Finally, managing templates. Store NDT template files on the Notes server for centralized access. Use the Domino administrator to manage template distribution and design refresh schedules. Create custom NDT templates by designing a database and saving as a template via File, then Application, then Design Synopsis. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.